What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be installing a cold air intake on 2016 Audi A6 with the 3.0. This package just arrived about 30 minutes ago. I'm ready to install it. It's a CTS turbo. Doesn't have a supercharger, but we got a big pipe in here. Got a massive intake. Got some other goodies. It's like the trim piece, and then yeah, this is the heat shield down in here. It's nice and metal. Feels very. Just some hair, not scratched. Alrighty, and then a little shield here. Alrighty, let's hop into it. So first step is you're going to take this off, loosen both of these, and you should be able to take this pipe out. This engine cover just pops right off. It makes it a little easier to access. Once you get both these loose and pop them off, make sure and be careful with this back. There's a little hose back here. You just want to pull that off with your fingers. Just pops right off. Make sure to get this out of the way, and then you can just pull this out. I'm gonna keep mine just so I can put it on in the future. Saying, should just be able to pull the airbox completely out. See if I can do it with one hand here, guys. Super easy. Feels like there's a hose on the bottom here. The easiest way I found to get that little hose off on the bottom is you can pull it up to right here with it still attached, and you got clear sight of the hose there. Just prod it out of there. So then this airbox will come right out. We're gonna need the pipe, and definitely need this. Oh, look at that, it fits in the original spot. Very nice. Yeah, you pull these off, the old one. Little rubber tabs here. And then they just go on the bottom of that shield. All right, guys, I got all the stuff out of the wrapping. You're gonna get the silicone hose that tapers down to the smaller size. It's gonna go up here to the throttle body. And then the one that's the same size is the one on the end. You get your hose clamps on there. I'm gonna put one on here and tighten them down real quick. Alrighty, once you get these tightened down, you can put this in here, and then you just bolt this plate on, facing out. You put this little extension on here. This is the extra hose that comes with it, and then it just goes into that other port right there. Mine's all loose, so I'm just gonna put a little hose clamp on there. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it. You tighten this down, make sure you have these rubber pieces on. One goes around there, one goes right there, one there.